Oh, hi. It's good to see you. Something smells delicious. Oh, it's coming from the kitchen. Would you like to see? I would. Whoa, the oven is hot. Would you like to see what's inside? Cupcakes! They smell delicious. They look delicious. But the timer says they're not ready. We'd better wait. Miss Maricusa.
Hi, Mr. Mike.
You look like a chef today.
Yes, I'm baking some cupcakes.
I saw those cupcakes.
The timer went on and I have to take them out.
They look delicious. And they smell delicious.
Yes, but we have to be careful because they're hot.
Oh.
They're hot. You don't want to burn your fingers.
No, that's why you have those mittens on.
Yes, these big mittens to protect my hands.
Okay. What color are they?
Like the mittens, what color? Red. Do you know why?
Why?
Because they're for Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day. That's right.
And Valentine's, we want to show our friends how much we love them and we care for them, so we can make different things like cards or send flowers or send candy. But I prefer to bake some cupcakes.
You're very good in the kitchen.
But we need something else for the cupcakes. Do you know what?
To eat them.
No, we need to make some icing. Would you like to help me?
May I?
Yes, come around. Come over here. We have a mixer here for the icing.
Okay.
Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me.
Now the icing is ready, Mr. Mike. We turn it off and look how nice it looks. Is it any good, Mr. Mike?
Delicious.
Okay, we can start decorating the cupcakes.
Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it up, put it in the pan. Patty cake, baker's man.
The cupcakes are almost ready.
Yes, Mr. Mike.
I think the kids are going to love them.
Are you going to have a jolly party for them?
That's a good idea. Oh, that reminds me. I have to get my cards ready. I'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later.